Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And in today's video, I am going to show you 2 easy ways using which you can share any Instagram reel on your WhatsApp status. So if you are interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so make sure you are logged into your Instagram. Now you have to open that reel that you want to share on your WhatsApp status. Alright, so for example, that's the reel that I want to share and put as my WhatsApp status. Now what you need to do is you have 2 options. So first I will talk about the first option that you have. You have to press the 3 dots that are given at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will get the option to share to, so you simply have to press that, and then you will get a few options. The first option is you can simply copy the link of this reel and you can put it as your WhatsApp status, or you can also choose from the social media where you want to share this reel. Alright, so if you want to put it on your WhatsApp, simply tap the WhatsApp icon and this will direct you to your WhatsApp account. Now you simply have to tap my status and then press the arrow icon at the bottom right corner. So yeah, this will show up in this form, the link form. Alright, the reel will not show up in the video form. For that you can use the other method that I'm going to explain, but for this method you can only paste the link of that Instagram reel as your WhatsApp status. So you can also do it for your own reel. If you want to share your reel, you can also follow this method. Simply tap the green arrow icon and this will be set as your WhatsApp status. Alright, now let's move on to the second method that we can use. For that you have to go back to Instagram. Now you again have to open the Instagram account and you have to simply select the reel that you want to put up as your WhatsApp status, and that too in the video format. So you just have to select the reel that you want to share. Alright, and now what you need to do is, for example, that's the reel that I want to share as my status, but in the video form and not in the link form. So again, tap the 3 dots at the bottom right corner, then tap the copy link option. So this will copy the link of that Instagram reel. Alright, now you have to open any browser on your mobile device and then type Instagram video download. So this will direct you to a new page. That's the page. You can use any video downloader from here. They all are free. Alright, you just have to find a genuine one, or you can use this one right here that says instafenster.com. So you can use this one. Simply tap the link and here you will be allowed to paste the link of the reel that you want to share. So simply long press the blank, paste the reel and tap search. So this will search for the Instagram reel. Alright, now as you can see, that's the reel that I want to share. Now what you need to do is simply tap download, or you can also use these 3 dots and then tap download. So this will download this reel on your mobile device. Alright, so it will take a few minutes for the reel to get completely downloaded. Alright, so you have to wait. Now once the reel gets downloaded, you can go back to your phone's gallery and you will be able to find that reel that you have just downloaded in the downloads folder. So that's the reel that I have just downloaded. Now to share it as your WhatsApp status, simply you have to just tap the share icon and then again you will get a few options. So you can simply tap WhatsApp and then you have to follow the same steps. Tap my status, and now as you can see, you can post it. You can post this Instagram reel in the video form as your WhatsApp status. You can simply tap the green arrow icon at the bottom right, and that's all you need to do. So these are the 2 methods using which you can easily share any Instagram reel, even yours, as your WhatsApp status. That was all for this topic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and you can also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, where I post similar content. Thank you for watching.